two questions that we saw were about the same month. Now we are just going to increase the time span a little and going to traverse across months. 21st March of a year is a Monday. What day is it on 8th of September? So we are given a reference day, 21st March, Monday, and September. I've taken a reasonable time, about 6 months. I want to find it on 8th of September. A way is between these two dates, just find the total number of days, and the total number of days we just divide it into complete weeks, that is divide by 7, and check how many extra days are left, right? A slightly easier way would be, why even bother about the total number of days? Why don't we just collect the extra days in each month, right? So rather than add 30 days of April, 31 days of May or so on, we'll just add the extra days over and above the complete weeks that are present, right? So this is a standard way that we are going to do most questions, so please pay attention. I will start with the rest of March. Okay, 21 days of March are over. March has 31 days, so I'll subtract the 21 days which are over till now, right? And what is left is just 10 days. And this 10 days also I'm going to divide it by 7 and say that's 1 week and just 3 extra days. March done. Now April. April is a month of 30 days, and from you should be aware that 30 is nothing but 7 4s are 28 plus 2, 4 weeks plus 2. April. May is 31, so it will have 3 extra days. May. June is 30, 2 extra days. July 31, 3 extra days. July. August 31, 3 extra days. September, I don't need the complete September, so I just need part of September. And how many days of September do I need? I just need 8 days. 8 days also is 1 week and just 1 more day. Right? So I've just collected all the extra days that are present, and so if I total it up, I'll be getting 3 and 2, 5, 8, 10, 16, 17. 17 days, the small days, few, when they collect, they become more than a week, right? This become more than 7. 7 2s are 14, 2 full weeks and 3 more days. So again, I'll divide it by 7 and check the remainder. So in this time span, I have 3 extra days. Remember, if you're very good with the remainders, you know that rather than find the remainder at the very end after collecting all the days, you could even keep finding the remainder at any intermediate step. What I'm saying is, whenever you're adding days, extra days, and they go beyond 7, you can drop 7 days from it. So I'm redoing the addition. 3 and 2, 5, 5 and 3, 8. 8 is 7 plus 1. So I'll just consider 1. Okay, 1 and 2, 3, 3 and 3, 6, 6 and 3, 9. 9 again crosses 7, so I'll just consider it as 2. 2 and 1, 3. So I've reached the same number, right? And to get to an answer, Monday plus 3 more days is what I am looking for. So Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. My answer is 8th of September was a Thursday. A similar question, but this time we would be needing to travel backwards. What I mean is, if 25th December of a year is Wednesday, what day was it on 13th of April of the same year? So the reference day that is given is further in time, 25th December, and what is asked is somewhere earlier. So I need to sort of travel backwards, and let me confess, as a student, I found this a little scary. Yeah, I would get very cautious when I have to go backwards. There's a very easy way out, right? The easy way out is, it doesn't matter whether you have to go forwards or backwards. My process will always be going forwards. So even though December is given, I would still in my mind start from 13th of April. And I would look forward, I would do all my calculations as if I'm going forward right up till 25th of December. right? So let's finish the process and then I'll tell you how do we handle this scenario. So the first thing is the rest of April. Be a little careful here. So I'll again do the full calculations. April is a month of 30. 30 minus 13, that's going to be 17. 17 divided by 7. 7 2s are 14 and remainder 3. Now look, that was the first question, so I wrote everything. But whereas what you should be doing is this way in your mind. April is done. May, June, July, August, September, October, November. This is how you should be writing, right? The rest of it, students, I just need to put it across because I need to explain it to you guys. May, June, July, August, September, October, November, right? But you don't have to explain it. So in your notebooks, you should just be adding these numbers, right? And what about December? So remember, it is only part of December. What part of December? 25 days. But 25 days also I could consider it as 7 3s are 21. 3 complete weeks and only 4 more days. So let's collect all the odd days. I would drop out a 7 whenever it exceeds 7. 3 and 3, 6 and 2, 8. That means a 1. 1 and 3, 4. 4 and 3, 7. Drop it, 7. Restart. 2 and 3, 5. 5 and 2, 7. Oh, again drop the 7. So that is left as 4 odd days. And how do you handle the backward part? Here comes the final touch. A day, something that I do not know, plus 4 days is given to me as a, what day is it given? Wednesday. So that's it, right? So rather than torture myself going backwards right from December, November, October, September, I just do it at the last stage. Just go 4 days backwards from Wednesday. So, and that I'll do it on my fingertips only. So Wednesday is given Tuesday, Monday, Sunday, Saturday. So this unknown day has to be a Saturday. Saturday is my answer here. Hope you got this, right? So far, we have consciously, if you look at both the questions, the month of February doesn't come in. And what is so special about February? I'm pretty sure you know. If it is about calendars, the idea of leap day or leap years is not going to be far behind. Yeah, and that is what we'll take up next.